Today I have an exciting recipe for you. Hi everyone, I'm Karen Ahmed. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. Today we're making a roulade, but not just any roulade. We're making a tandoori chicken roulade, and it's going to be stuffed with spinach and paneer. It's absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week, and do ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon. That's going to notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get rolling. I guarantee that this roulade is like no other. Let's start with marinating the chicken. I have 4 chicken breasts here. Your chicken breast is going to differ in size, so don't be too fussed about the weight. If your breasts come with chicken tenders, just cut or pull them off. I'm now going to butterfly this chicken breast by slicing it horizontally through the flesh. I like to start at the thickest point and work my way to the thinner portion of the breast, and I'm just going to slice through till I'm almost at the end. The chicken breast will look like a heart once it's opened up. I'm going to butterfly the rest of the chicken breast as well. Butterflying your chicken breast gives you way more surface area for the marinade, and it's also going to reduce the cooking time. To flatten these even more, I'm going to place the breast flat between 2 sheets of parchment paper, and I'm going to pound this gently using a meat mallet. These are now ready for the marinade. Add some salt to taste, the juice of half a lime, and 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. This is just store-bought masala, but you can also use my homemade blend. I'm going to leave that link at the end of this video as well as in the description. I'm also going to add a half teaspoon of dried fenugreek or kasuri methi for that authentic taste. Crushing the dried leaves between your fingertips releases and enhances the flavor. Add 2 teaspoons of yogurt and mix this well to marinate. Usually I like to leave this overnight in the fridge for the best flavor, but a minimum of 30 minutes is required. While this is soaking up all of that delicious tandoori marinade, I'm going to work on the filling. In a saute pan, heat some oil and saute 1 cup of diced onions, and I'm going to cook this till it's nice and golden brown. Add a half teaspoon of red chili powder followed by a half teaspoon of turmeric. I'm also going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm going to stir this to saute. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of chopped spinach. This may look like a lot, but it reduces considerably when it's cooked down. Add salt to taste. When the spinach is nice and wilted, I'm going to add 200 grams, that's roughly about 7 ounces of paneer. I'm just going to crumble this in. Now, if you've bought or prepared good quality paneer, it shouldn't be packed too hard. This crumbly texture is going to allow the flavors to just seep in. Mix this well together and allow the filling to cool completely. When you're ready to roll, lay your chicken breast down flat. I'm just using some cling film to protect my board. Add the filling on top of the chicken and smear it all over the breast. Notice that I'm using a filling out of a separate bowl so that I don't contaminate the whole batch as I'm working with raw chicken. Roll this up. We now need to secure this, and the best and the easiest way is to truss it. This means I'm going to tie this up with some kitchen twine. I'm going to tie the first knot around the top of the chicken breast. Then I'm going to take the long end and I'm going to hold it down about an inch down with one hand and take the string around with the other. Make a loop and pull it to secure. Do this a few more times, and if your string is long enough, take it all the way to the back of the chicken breast and tie it up at the top. Watch this again carefully. Once all of these are tied and ready, I'm just going to sear them on all sides. I'm also going to add half a cup of onion slices just to provide more flavor and moisture, and it's also going to prevent burning. I'm then going to finish cooking this in my 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Allow this to cool, remove and discard the kitchen twine, and slice this using a sharp knife. This is a great idea for a fancy sit-down meal, but it's also great for a potluck or a recipe that is served family style. Thank you so much for joining me in Cravings Food Adventures. I really hope you enjoyed this very special recipe for tandoori chicken roulade. This is now a firm favorite in my family. Do make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week. Share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. I hope to hit 50,000 subscribers this year, guys, so please help me get there. Also, ring the bell. That's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care, guys. Bye.